Hello guys, welcome to Generation Ravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to not let people see your projects on Asana. Yes, you value your privacy. Of course, especially in your company and your projects. You want your privacy to be of peak importance. Yes. So here we are on one of my projects. Just a sample project that I made up just to show you how you can do it. So all you need to do is, I'm just going around here. What you need to do is head over here to share, the share button over here on the top right corner of the screen, and then click on shared with sample team and click to private to members, so that it will be set to private to members only, so that anyone else who will be sent the mail, email, link, or whatever, they won't really see the contents of the project. Only the members will. So that's how you set your projects private or hide it from the public. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Ravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.